Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your science class. In the last class, we have finished the explanation of the second chapter from the book, and the name of the chapter is Safety and First Aid. In the previous class, we discussed about first aid, then first aid box, then about first aid tips for cuts and wounds, and we also discussed fill in the blanks with correct words, and the question is from page number A11, right? Okay, today we are going to discuss the questions from the exercise part given in page number A13, and we are going to discuss question A, B and C. Okay, so let's start our class. Question A is tick the correct answer. There you are given total 5 questions. Okay, we will discuss all the questions one by one. Question number 1 is we should not touch electric switches with options are dry hands, bare hands, wet hands, left hand. Which is the correct one? It is the option C, right? We should not touch electric switches with wet hands. Okay. Now, before moving to the second question, let me tell you that no need to write all this again in your classwork copy. Okay. If you have written earlier, then you can tally the answers with the written one. Okay. Or if you have not written, then you can write down the answers in the book using a pencil. Okay, no need to write all this in your class or copy, whichever I will discuss today. Okay, now let us move to the second question. The question is we should always walk on the options are footpath, wall, road, terrace. Which one is the correct answer? It is the option A, right? We should always walk on the footpath. Then moving to the third one, the immediate help given to an injured person is called, options are first aid, option B last aid, option C safety aid, and option D second aid. Which is the correct one? It is the option A, right? The immediate help given to an injured person is called what? First aid. Okay. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 4, and it is we should play with option A blade, B toys, C knife, D scissors. Now see, except the option B, other 3 options which you were given, they are sharp objects, right? So we should not play with sharp objects. Do you remember the safety rule? Right? Okay. So which one will be the correct option? It is the option B, right? We should play with toys. Now let us move to the fifth question. We should follow safety rules at options are home, school, market, all places. So which one is the correct option? We should follow safety rules at home, yes. Then at school also, yes. And in the market also, right? So in all these 3 places we should follow safety rules. That means the correct option we have to choose, it is what? Option D, it is all places. We should follow safety rules at all places. Okay. Till now we discussed all the answers of question A. Okay, now let us move to question B. Question B, there you have to write true or false. Yes? Okay. Here also you were given total 5 questions. We will discuss one by one. The first question, it is first statement, it is we should give immediate help to an injured person. It is true or false? It is true, right? Okay. Then the second statement, on the road there is no need to be careful. Is it true? No, it is false. We should be very careful on the road. So here what you have to write? You have to write here false, because the statement given it is false, right? Okay, now let us move to the third question. We should not crowd around an injured person. It is true. Okay. The fourth question, we should not push our friends on swings. It is true or false? It is also true. Then the fifth one, we should get out of a moving bus. It is totally false, right? We should not get out of a moving bus. So here what you have to write? You have to write here false for the fifth statement. Okay. And here we also finished the discussion of all the questions from question number B. Okay. Now let us move to question number C. And the question is, name the following. Okay. Here you are given total 3 questions, right? Okay. The first one is, any 2 things you should not play with. Okay, any 2 things. You can write any 2 things. Okay. Here I have mentioned knives and scissors. Okay, you can write any other things also. Okay. Now let us move to the second question of question number C. Okay. And the question is, any one safety rule to be followed in the classroom. Okay. And the safety rule is, we should not climb on benches in the classroom. Why? Because we may fall down and get hurt, right? Okay. Then the third question, which is the last question of question number C, it is 2 things which are used to clean a bleeding wound. Okay. And in the previous class we discussed that to clean the cut or wound we should use antiseptic lotion like Dettol or Savlon. Yes. So here the options in the blanks given in your book, what you have to write? You have to write Dettol, Savlon. Okay. So with this we have finished all the answers of question A, B and C. Okay. And in the next class we will discuss the answers of question number D, as many of the students were absent during the online classes in the month of April and May. Okay. So for those absentee students, the questions answers will be discussed again. Okay. Now here there is an information. Okay. And it is that your second online test of general science will be held on 3rd of August, Monday, and the time for general science examination is 8 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. Okay. And syllabus for the examination will be given later. Yes. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.